this is the video where we're gonna set up the Ansible actually. So this is the video which I'm going to set up the Ansible host, where I'm using in this video to set up the Ansible host is the same Ubuntu machine which we use it for the Docker host. Uh, so this is the machine which we use it for the Docker host. I'm using the same machine actually for to do that, for to do the Ansible setup also. I have created one bash script so that it should be very much important when you are setting up any kind of an Ansible host. I also have a terraform script where you can use in GCP for creating the compute instance. So you're going to get the Ansible host over there, so where you can use that. So it is also included with the startup script. So the startup script is going to take care about all the things which is required actually. So this is the script which I'm using for to create a Ansible setup. So we are renaming it to Ansible server actually. The first thing, next we are going to create an Ansible user. Next we will going to add that user to the sudo group. Next we will change the bin bash and we shall make the directory, and we uh, go into that home directory, and we're going to change some command. This is an automatic process. This is the shell script. You do not to do anything. Actually, in front of this, you should add a sudo if you are running. If you are running this script in your own environment, if you are running this script in Google Cloud, you don't require sudo actually. Um, the next thing is that this is the configuration file. So you have to run this file in the sudo privileges, otherwise it will not work actually. So this is all about the Python installation and the Ansible installation. So once after that, it is again taking about talking about installing the Docker host and adding the Ansible admin to the Docker user. Now we shall not concentrate about this one. So we shall take all this, uh, copy all this. Anyway, I'll just publish that with publish it in the GitHub repository. No need to worry about that. ls control L. So create a directory, uh, Ansible setup. So here you create your file actually, um, setup setup.sh. So shift insert, so control X, Y, give the execution permission. So now you can run the script actually. So now it is started with the updating. So it's going to take around a few minutes. Let's wait. Once after it is downloaded, once after the shell script is executed, I will resume the video. So now the shell script is executed and it is finished. Now we shall check some commands like whether we have installed Ansible or not. So there is some problem which is detected. So the problem is with we have to change some configuration in some file, because it required UTF-8, so that it is going to be having some problem with that. So to do how we can able to troubleshoot is, uh, we have to change some values of UTF-8. This is the local encoding value which is required when Ansible to use. This is the part. So where you can able to see there is no there is no UTF-8 encoding is there. You can able to delete this actually whatever the thing is there here, and just copy this, shift insert. So this is going to work perfectly fine. Control X. So this is completed now. So the third step is we are updating locally actually. So it requires a restart. So without restart, let me check the Ansible version. So still it is there. So let me go back. It requires a restart actually. Otherwise it will not be taken in effect. Just for my curiosity I'm checking. So it requires a restart. I will resume the video after rebooting. So now the system is restarted. So now let us check uh, the Ansible version here. So the Ansible version is installed. Let's check the Python 3. So now the Python 3 is also installed. So next let us do some validation. So the localhost should work. The ping for the localhost should work. So next let us check some another tree actually. So so this is a etc file, etc Ansible. So Ansible config is there, and host is there, and roles is there. So these are the files which we are working for the next thing. So this is all about this video, guys. So this completes the installation of the Ansible. In the next video, I just want to talk about how you can integrate this Ansible with the Docker, and how you can able to push the Docker image to the Docker hub by building it with Ansible YAML file. In the next video, we shall create the playbooks for Ansible, and next I will go to execute and I'm going to show you. So thank you all. Bye.